These are the Terracotta Jack-O-Lanterns that I found at Decor Steals. They were $100 for a set of 3, and these are the Pottery Barn ones that I saw after that, and they are no longer available, so I don't know how much they are, but I'm assuming at least that much, if not more. And I found this lighted jack-o'-lantern at Goodwill for just $4.99. So I'm planning on using this to dupe the Decor Steals and Pottery Barn versions. So first I'm just going to take off the bottom so that I can paint the jack-o'-lantern part without getting the light bulb and the cord and all that. I'm using some creative paper clay to make a new stem that looks more like the ones that I saw online. So I'm just using the paper clay and rolling out some flat pieces and using those to cover the foil stem form that I made. And then I'm just using a toothpick to make some lines in the new clay stem that I make so that it looks more like a real pumpkin stem. Paper clay is an air dry clay, so once I get all the lines in it, I'm just going to leave it overnight to dry. I'm just using a little handsaw to cut off the existing stem, which this pumpkin turned out to be foam, kind of a hard foam. I don't know really what it is, but it came off pretty easily. Huh? Yeah, I look at that. Once the new stem was all dry, I just glued it on with E6000 and then used some more of the air dry clay to blend it in. I'm using some oil rubbed bronze metallic spray paint that I had just to give this the first coat. And now I'm using some charcoal stone texture spray paint. That's something that I also already had on hand to give it the textured, I guess, terracotta look that the inspiration ones had. And then finally, just some flat black primer. And with the black primer, I didn't just do a solid coat on it. I kind of almost did stripes. You can see here, I just kind of went real lightly down the ridges on the pumpkin, leaving the gray color, the gray textured color here and there. And now's the real fun part, which is just spreading dirt all over it. And now I'm just going to use a damp paper towel and kind of wipe off the dirt over the high spots. And then I'm going to give it a coat of matte Mod Podge. Matte means it won't be shiny, and this will just seal it to protect it. Ta-da! And as a reminder, here is one of the Decor Steels pumpkins, and here is one of the Pottery Barn pumpkins. And here's mine. What do you think?